step back into a time of elegance and style. A time when open-air motoring was a symbol of luxury and sophistication. Today, we're taking a closer look at a true icon, the 1961 Mercedes-Benz 190SL. Now, the 190SL wasn't just any roadster. It was the younger sibling of the legendary 300SL Gullwing. Imagine the 300SL as the rock star, the one everyone knows. But the 190SL? Well, it's the cool, mysterious cousin who doesn't seek the spotlight. The 190SL was designed for those who crave the 300SL style, but didn't need its raw power. It's like ordering a cappuccino instead of an espresso. Still delightful, but with a touch of practicality. Let's talk mechanics. Beneath this elegant hood lies a 1.9-liter inline-4 engine. No, it won't break land speed records, but it'll whisk you away with a gentle purr. And check this out. The fuel pump even has a hand-operated primer. It's like giving your car a little CPR. And the Germans use cakes of boar's hair in the air cleaners. Yes, you heard that right. Boar's hair. It's like the car breathes sophistication. Step inside the cabin, and you're greeted by a surprisingly spacious and comfortable environment. The leather seats are as inviting as they are elegant, and the controls are laid out in a simple, driver-focused manner. The 1961 Mercedes-Benz 190SL wasn't just a car. It was a symbol of a bygone era. An era of elegance, sophistication, and the pure joy of open-air driving. Enough talk. Let's hit the road. The 190SL isn't about blistering acceleration. It's about the journey. The ride? Smooth as a jazz sax solo. The drum breaks? Trustworthy, like an old friend who never lets you down. So, should you get a 190SL? If you want a car that turns heads without shouting, look at me. Absolutely. It's not just transportation. It's a conversation starter, a memory maker. And remember, life's too short for boring cars.